Right guys, just a very quick review video of pay-per-click Shortcut. Now this is by a guy called David Cassar. Now I've worked with David in the past and I've bought some of his products in the past, and this guy does know his stuff about pay-per-click. And he's got several software products that are related to pay-per-click, one of which I do use quite regularly. Now, he's not a serial product launcher. This is one of the first products he's brought out for quite some time. So this is the sales page. Get 15 of our best done for you campaigns. Okay, save time, get more leads, make more money. Our best done for you campaigns. Okay, so this is sales page. Scroll down, $609 profit in a single 24-hour campaign. Nearly 47,000 in just 30 days. Okay, let me just dive straight into that. We've seen all these sales pages before. Let's dive straight into the actual product. Okay, so its main focus is Google Ads. Not one of my strong traffic sources. I have campaigns running on there at the moment, and this was actually because of some training that David and Wayne Crow did a couple of months ago. All right, so as I said, I have had some of David's training before, and it's very good. However, there are a few things you need to be wary of with this product, in my opinion. Now, as I said, they do use Google Ads, which is brilliant. However, the pay-per-click Shortcut is using done-for-you campaigns, and they're mainly Warrior Plus products, unless you buy the upsells. Now, a lot of Warrior Plus products are shit. All right, they are the crap. I mean, we've got by the way, this Limitless here. That's not the Limitless that I launched with a couple of years ago with Jason Fulton. That's not that one. This Limitless is by Dan Ashendorf. It's this. All right. If anybody knows Dan Ashendorf, you know he's full of shit and his products are crap. So you wouldn't want to promote this on Google. On Google Ads, you'd get your account shut down. If you sent traffic directly to this landing page, that is 99% made up bullshit anyway, you'd get your account shut down. All right, so do not send directly to these campaigns. Send to your best sending to, and this is what I do, sending to a squeeze page. Okay, send to a squeeze page, then send to a thank you page. Okay. And then send to any offer you feel like, all right, after the thank you page. That's the Google don't tend to go past the thank you page. So it's like two lines of defense. And in fact, my bonus is one of the squeeze pages that I'm using currently. Okay, so that was one of my bonuses. Now, what these campaigns are really are what they call SCAG campaigns, the single keyword campaigns. But there's thousands of keywords. So you pick, say, promote 12-minute affiliate. 12-minute affiliate is actually a good product. It's on. I promote it on ClickBank. Okay, so you've got the links here where you can get the products, get your affiliate links, and this is your campaign. Now they show you how to upload this into Google Ads. All right, so you need to download the Google Ads editor to your PC, which is obviously free. You upload the campaigns that they give you, all the ad copies written for you. Right, sorry. So you upload your campaigns to Google Ads editor. All right, and that uploads them to your Google account. It's very fast. Now what David's done is you get all the ad copies done for you, right? So what I suggest is You send to your upload the campaigns, but don't direct link to these. To something like that. Link to a congruent squeeze page, which I'll send you a Google friendly one that's I've been running for months now. Send to that, then send to your thank you page, and then onto any offer. We can split test, rotate different offers. All right. And these are all single keyword campaigns, ad groups. So you would upload this to Google Ads. So say if you are promoting 12-minute affiliate, okay, you upload the file to Google's ad editor, and that creates, depending how many keywords you've got, that creates an ad group for that every single keyword. Instead of having hundreds of keywords in one ad group where they're all sending traffic to the same ads, same 2 or 3 ads that you've generated, you've got highly targeted ad groups because it's one keyword per ad group. Okay, so one ad. All right, so you really find you can soon pick up what is actually working. You don't need thousands and thousands of keywords. I've tried it that way, and it actually works better with just a few hundred keywords. Okay, it depends what budget you've got, but that's the way I do it. And these are such a time saver because you can upload these to your Google Ads account. Don't stress about the offer. If you don't like, if some of these offers are good, I mean, 12-minute affiliate, I promote that, and it is a good offer. But some of these are shit, I know they are. And but you can change that. You just change your squeeze page, whatever offer you want. So it's kind of got some congruency, and then just split test different offers in the background. So that's how I'll do it. And then as I said, my bonus is a squeeze page that I'm currently using. All right. And it's one I'm using on Google Ads, by the way. So, and it's been running for several months now. So, and I've tweaked it as well several times, and it does quite well. Let me just go right. So we've got ClickBank mega campaigns here. You've got JV Zoo mega campaigns. Some more Warrior Plus campaigns here. Now these are part of the upsells. Some of the upsells. I get 3 done for you bridge pages. They're upsells as well. There are a couple of upsells in the fun. In fact, there's about I think it's 5. There were more, but as I said, David doesn't launch very often, and he had a really old school funnel in place. But he's seen the light and he's reduced it considerably. Now, out of all the upsells, I do use the pay-per-click software. Okay, what that does, it uploads. You can create your own SCAG campaigns, single keyword ad groups. Okay, you can create your own. All right? You just put in your keywords, put in your negative keywords, and you write a couple of ads. Press a button, and it creates hundreds of ad groups in your Google Ads account. It's really good. It's and it does what it says on the tin. Also, one of the upsells is Google, more in-depth Google AdWords training. And there's a VIP group, which I've been a member of for months. It's very good. It's not cheap, but if you're serious and you need to hang out with like-minded people, that's the main benefit I get from in that group, hanging out with serious people online who have one goal in common. I've met some fantastic people just through that group, and there's some fantastic up-to-the-minute training in that group. So, it's not cheap. It's $300 a month, that one, the VIP one, but I think to me it's worth it. It's paid more than in that in dividends. All right, so that's my honest opinion of pay-per-click training by David. Yes, it's good, and it's going to be a time saver, but I'd play safe. Make sure you're sending to. Do not send direct to some of these offers, because you will get into trouble with Google. and I don't want to see that happen to you. All right, so pick up my bonus and play it safe, and good luck with your campaign. 'Cause you're a believer.